day 2 of improving the extensions in your body. So we're looking at another hip extension exercise here. This one is the frog. This is fantastic for getting those deep external hip rotators working well. It really minimizes the degree of leg lift that we can do so that we get a very accurate movement through the back of that hip. So again, I'm going to be over my barrel. I'm going to have my hips just below the apex of the barrel. So I'm not going to have them right up here. I'm going to slide them down ever so slightly so I can be sure that my lower spine is supported by the barrel and I can feel contact of my pubic bone on the barrel. Okay, so we're going to do single legs, and then tomorrow we're going to explore double legs. So you're going to turn your legs out into the froggy position. Hands and upper body is just completely relaxed. You're going to lift, press the pubic bone forward. Now feel these guys working and try and lift your thigh, not your foot. Okay, so you're going to think of lifting your thigh. So you can see it's not a very big range of motion, but boy oh boy, can you feel it right in those deep external hip rotators. So you're going to do as many as you feel you need. Can be 6, could be 8, could be 10. Think of it as a clam. So it is basically just a more functional clam movement.